Gurdev madam, the way we want to find out the result. Now, as you all know, I was just remembering when Dr. Gurdev madam was talking about administration and
कुटुंबाची कथा इंद्रायणीच्या डोळ्यात मिळाली होती, पण त्याच्यावरनं आगून ती वेळ आली हे मी सांगत असून तर पुन्हा माझ्या शिक्षणाला प्रश्न मला सांगता आलं पाहिजे की ती गाथा लोकांतरातून लोकांच्या मुखातून संकलित करून बहिणाबाई शिरवकर नावाच्या स्त्रीनं कशी उभी केलेली आहे. चमत्काराला नमस्कार करत आलो म्हणून इतिहास बदलवला गेला. आज तो नव्याने पुन्हा उभा राहतोय हे आम्हाला शिक्षक आणि शिक्षिकांना दाखवतात.
We would like to care for our family, our loved ones, and our friends. We can multitask so we can work and excel in our profession, but at the same time we can look after our family and take care.
Over here because since my childhood my mom was involved in the activities. Nurturing has come from this very soil, so that's why I have a very heartfelt connection over here. Who are the pillars of the family? Who are the pillars of the society? And of course your working place.